kwamũkĩra ministry ya marĩa matũrigicĩirie ũgarũrũku wa rĩera oro hamwe na ithaka nĩ macokereirie tabarĩra ya kũramata na gũthaitĩra mĩena ĩrĩa ĩgũmagĩrwo nĩ maĩ oro hamwe na gũkorwo gũtikĩrĩ na kana gũkorwo kwaraga na njĩra nene na ĩgakorwo ĩgĩkĩrehe mogarũrũku ma rĩera gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Soipan Tuya ũrĩa nĩwe minister wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie nĩwe ũheanĩte ndeto ĩno arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Marsabit, akiuga gũthũka kwa rĩera gũcũngagĩrĩrio nĩ tabarĩra cia maũndũ mamwe ma ũrĩithia oro hamwe na andũ gũkorwo makĩhũthĩra njĩra ya ũrĩithia na njĩra ĩrĩa gũtagĩrĩire na makĩria kũrĩithia kinyagia icigo iria citagĩrĩire.
Wetlands restoration program feeds into our 15 billion tree growing strategy and the bigger plan for climate action. I've seen a tremendous opportunity for us to restore our wetlands within arid and semi-arid lands, and it has a twin effect of serving the livelihood needs of the communities as well as help us in restoring our degraded ecosystems. Confirms our priority to map out and fence off our ecosystems. Once we fence, the natural regeneration will meet us halfway, because nature will regenerate itself, and in addition to that, we are going to do the planting of
protected, how it looks like, so that our strategy is that we bring all the entire wetlands in this country under perfect restoration. So this is an ambitious program. It's also meant to create jobs at the world level, so that our brothers and sisters at the world level also earn a livelihood from greening program in the next 10 years.
The Green Army program has started. We have advertised for the first lot of 4,000 youth, and the advert. That is just the first cohort. We intend to do up to 100,000 young people in the country.
The entire community can benefit from it, even the entire county. The people in this vicinity now, most of the time during the dry period, like the previous month ago, 4 or 5 months ago, there was a prolonged drought. People are starving and are dying. And if irrigation is done and the food security now is boosted.
Otio nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru ĩnyitanĩire na rũhonge rwa Center of Agriculture